In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively export data from Zendesk support using the built-in export feature. Managing support data can be essential for your team, whether you're analyzing metrics or looking to archive information for record keeping. This process is quite straightforward, and I'll guide you through it step by step to ensure it's as seamless as possible. First off, you need to navigate over to the Views tab, which you'll find on the left pane of your Zendesk support interface. This pane is generally your control center for different sections of the platform, and today it's going to help us reach our export function. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the Actions option. It might be discreetly tucked away, but trust me, it's there and crucial to our task at hand. When you click on Actions, a drop-down menu will reveal itself. This menu is home to a variety of options, offering different functionalities to better manage your data. It all might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but keep your focus on the task. From this list, select Export as CSV. Choosing this option is key, because CSV is a universally recognized format that helps with compatibility across various software platforms. After selecting Export as CSV, you'll receive a prompt confirming that your CSV export has been initiated. This is a pivotal moment in the process because it shows that Zendesk has recognized your request and is working to compile the data for you. The system sends this CSV file straight to the email address associated with your account, ensuring you have direct access once it's ready. Now comes a small waiting period. As you wait for the email to arrive, it's a good time to reflect on any permissions you might need. Make sure you have the correct admin rights or export permissions, as this feature is typically reserved for those roles. If you find the feature disabled or encounter difficulties accessing it, double-check these permissions, as they often hold the key to successfully executing the export process. Finally, once you receive that anticipated email, simply download the export file. It's a straightforward task, but an important one. Once downloaded, you can move forward with analyzing, archiving, or even sharing the data with your team. It's crucial to note that you need to have the export feature enabled in your Zendesk settings. If by chance you encounter issues with the export not functioning as anticipated, taking a little time to confirm these settings could save you a headache later on. By ensuring each of these elements is in place, exporting your Zendesk support data can be a smooth and efficient process. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in managing your support data with ease and confidence.